The importance of getting court orders. After separation from your significant other, whether it be boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, or wife, you need to get court orders. Without court orders, either parent can take the child and doesn't have to return the child to the other parent. The best course of action, of course, would be both parents to reach an agreement for custody and visitation, but oftentimes that can't happen. The parents disagree as to how much time the other parent should have. It creates a lot of conflict. And oftentimes parents will go months, sometimes even years, without court orders, with high levels of conflict, and one parent will end up not seeing the child for months, sometimes years upon end, and the children suffer as a result. Police will not enforce any visitation or custody that's not court ordered. So oftentimes one parent will take the child. I've seen cases where fathers take breastfeeding children from new mothers, infants and newborns, and they won't see the child for 2 to 3 weeks. As soon as there's separation, either parent, in my opinion, it's important to go out and file paperwork in court to get specific custody orders. That way you don't have a wild, wild west situation where whoever has the kids gets the kids. And if you allow the other parent to visitation, they'll take the kids and won't return the kids. It creates high level of conflict that children suffer. So, if you're going through a separation, and it's most likely permanent, the best solution, if you can't reach a specific agreement with the opposing side, is to go to court and get custody orders. And even if you can reach an agreement, make those orders permanent. Get those orders endorsed. Who knows if your significant other, or who knows if your ex gets a new boyfriend or girlfriend and they cause conflict and they suddenly decide out of the blues to stop letting you see your children. If you don't have court orders, police aren't going to enforce that. So you can go a year with having significant time with your child, and all of a sudden you're not allowed to see your kids because there's no court orders in place. So if you're going through a separation, it's very important you look at your options to get specific court ordered in order to preserve your rights with your children.